We're producing incredible content we don't want you to miss. It's free. Click subscribe for mobile and email updates about great new videos so you can get the most out of your ButcherBox.
Hey everyone, I'm Yankel, and today I'm gonna share my soon-to-be famous, top secret, 15 ingredient bacon jam recipe. We're gonna pair it with some amazing ButcherBox burgers, and if you're watching this video, you probably love burgers and bacon just as much as I do. So we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty of what makes a terrific burger. But first, let's get jamming. So I'm using some beautiful sugar-free, nitrate-free, uncured ButcherBox bacon. And that's gonna be the base of our jam. So I'm just gonna slice it up, rough chunks, because I'm gonna put this whole thing through the food processor. So we start out by rendering the bacon, going into a hot pan. While the bacon gets crispy and renders out, we're gonna cut our onions and garlic. And it's gonna go into the pan as soon as the bacon gets a little crispy. So right now, we're rendering the fat out of the bacon. That fat is actually gonna be our cooking oil for the rest of the recipe. 15 ingredients means a lot of different flavors working together, so balance is key. There are a lot of considerations when it comes to the perfect burger, and one of them is texture. So I'm gonna add texture to the burger by doing deep fried, spicy onion rings. I've got red onions that have been soaking in buttermilk. First thing we're gonna do is season our cornstarch. I've got some garlic powder, some chipotle powder, and some smoked paprika. We'll give that a quick stir. And I like to add a little bit of salt as well. That'll definitely make them taste even better. Dropping our onion ring into the mix, nice and coated. And we're gonna actually fry them in peanut oil, because I think that adds just another element of flavor. So we want our peanut oil to be 350. Otherwise, you're gonna get a soggy product. The hotter the oil is, the more crispy it's gonna get right away. Going into the oil, nice and gentle. Oh yeah. God, I love onion rings. That cornstarch makes them super crispy. The peanut oil adds nutty elements. The chipotle adds some smoke. The smoked paprika adds even more smoke. The salt just brings the whole thing together. These are gonna be amazing. And I've got a pan to soak up the excess oil ready to go. You can see how crispy they are just by the way that they stand up. Oh yeah. Bacon's got a lot of fat rendered out. Time to add our onions. And we're just gonna let the onions cook for 2 or 3 minutes. Let them soften up a bit, and then we'll add spices and garlic. I am fully in support of the smell of bacon and onions cooking. I'd vote for that. The onions have started to soften up, getting a little crispy, so we're gonna add garlic, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little bit of cayenne. And we're gonna stir this up until the sugar melts. Oh God, that smells good. Whew. So my sugar is melted, spices are incorporated, they smell incredible. As soon as the dry spices hit the heat, it's just like, boom, flavor all over the place. Now we're gonna add our liquids. Guinness, coffee, cold brew, bourbon. Delicious. Sherry vinegar, balsamic vinegar, and last but not least, maple syrup. Now we're gonna give that a stir and make sure that we scrape all the good bits off the bottom of the pan. We're gonna let that cook down until the liquid is reduced by half. Now for the spread, because you need spread. So I'm doing truffle aioli. Super simple. I've got mayonnaise, I've got some truffle puree. I'm gonna add salt and pepper. You can jazz this up however you want. Lemon zest, lemon juice, chives, anything you wanna do. It's time to make the bacon jam. So our liquid has reduced by about half. which makes it pretty syrupy, but still liquidy enough so that it's spreadable. So now we're gonna blend it and we're gonna add a little bit of this beautiful organic ketchup. That is incredible. We're gonna let that come to room temperature and we're gonna sear our burgers. I can't believe I'm giving this recipe away. It should remain secret to my grave and beyond. God, that's good. All right, we are ready to cook some burgers. Beautiful ButcherBox burgers. This incredible beef, 80-20 grind. That means 80% beef, 20% delicious fat. Salt and pepper, we're gonna be real simple because we are just jam-packed with flavor on every level. All right, nutty, delicious grass-fed ghee into my smoking hot pan. All right, burgers are cooked, cheese is melted. You notice I put the cheese on as soon as I flip the burger. That gives the cheese enough time to melt slowly while the rest of the burger cooks. Cook it to your desired doneness. The moment we have all been waiting for, time to build the burger. So we're gonna start with our truffle mayo. Both sides, healthy servings. We want the lettuce to cover the entire bun because the lettuce is actually gonna protect the bread from the burger. As soon as you bite into that burger, all that juice is gonna come pouring out. One slice of tomato, big enough to fit the whole burger on. It's burger time. Here we go. Sit that on there. Beautiful. Time for bacon jam. A couple of big, healthy spoonfuls right on that melted cheese. Finish with that crunch. We're going with spicy onion rings. Close that baby up. I don't know what else to say. I've got nothing. Enjoy! See ya. Thank you so much for watching. That was awesome. I'm surrounded by information. We've got links below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lots more delicious cooking videos over here. I'm Yankel. See you in the next one.